You know, when it comes to fun Beyblade gimmicks, I think my absolute favourite has to be Engine Gear. The Engine Gear system of tops was released alongside the G-Revolution series of Beyblade during the Plastic generation, also known as the first generation of Beyblades. The idea for Engine Gear was to give your Beyblade extra speed in battle. Think of it as a prototype version of the accelerator rail in Beyblade X in a way, but, you know, without the actual rail. Each Beyblade comes with a turbo winder to wind up the engine gear. Some Beyblades have different types of engine gears, like Trigger G for example. It activates as soon as you launch the Beyblade. Some blades have little tabs you can pull on the blade base, which can activate the engine gear with enough hits during battle. You even have some Beyblades with free spinning engine gears like Rock Bison and Roborg 4, which can give your Beyblade extra defense in battle. I honestly think the coolest Beyblade from this entire line has to be Dronzer GT. It's pretty much like the other blades with like the tabs that you can pull, but this Beyblade has a reverse engine gear, so when the tabs get hit during battle, Dronzer will do a reverse spin motion in battle. It's almost like a real life anime move. We'll do some test battles with some of the blades I have here and see how they do in the stadium. Dragoon GT, Dronzer GT. Dragoon Galaxy versus Rock Bison. Gaia Dragoon G versus Drasil G. Honestly, such a cool relic of Beyblade's past and history. Let me know what other Beyblade throwback content you want me to talk about next time. Let me know in the comments.